Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the Blu-ray scanning video effect to your video in CapCut special for PC. So you can find a new effect, click effect, in video effect and training you can find the Blu-ray scanning. So this is the free effect, not pro. So how to use it? Go to media, import videos or just photos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to select the photo and go to file, select the Blu-ray scanning and just for iteration summary and just click on the effect. So you can adjust for the blur, strings, glow, greens and also speed, so you can see for the final result like this. Yeah, that's it. It applies to videos as well, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please let me comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.